I used to think long hair just wasn't for me. I thought I was one of those people whose hair just grew to a certain point and then gave up. No matter what I tried, new shampoos, trims every full moon, expensive masks, nothing changed. I would watch hair transformation videos late at night and wonder, why not me? And for years, I genuinely believed my hair was broken. It all started in my late teens. My hair was constantly dry, snapping at the ends, and barely ever made it past my shoulders. I thought it was normal, genetic even. I come from a family where most people have shorter or medium-length hair, so I figured, maybe this is just my fate. But deep down, I didn't want to accept that. I wanted those effortlessly long, flowing strands. The kind you see in shampoo commercials or Pinterest boards. So, I tried everything. Coconut oil overnight? Did it. Inversion method? I literally hung my head upside down like a bat every night for a week. Biotin pills? Popped them like candy. But my hair stayed stuck. And worse, it started breaking even more. That's when I hit my lowest point. I started to feel frustrated, defeated, like I was doing everything right but getting nowhere. And then one night, funny enough, it all changed because of a biology textbook. I was studying for a totally unrelated exam and stumbled across a section on the hair growth cycle. I wasn't even looking for answers, but there it was, in black and white, hair grows in phases. There's the anagen phase, the only phase where your hair actually grows. And it can last anywhere from 2 to 7 years. After that, hair goes into the catagen phase, a short transition, and then telogen, when it rests and sheds. So I stopped obsessing over quick fixes and started getting curious, really curious, about how hair actually works. I dug into research, dermatology papers, and even started journaling what I ate and how my scalp felt. I began treating my hair like a living thing with needs, not just something to style. The first thing I noticed? When I focused on my scalp, not just my ends, things started to shift. Instead of just oiling for shine, I massaged my scalp with purpose, using peppermint oil mixed with a carrier. I learned peppermint oil was actually shown in a study to increase follicle depth and hair thickness more than minoxidil in mice. That blew my mind. I also realized my diet was quietly sabotaging me. I was skipping meals, eating too much processed food, and barely drinking water. Once I added more protein, leafy greens, and iron-rich foods, I swear my hair literally started feeling heavier. And trimming? I stopped cutting off inches and started dusting only when I needed to. I gave my hair permission to just be, instead of trying to perfect it constantly. Slowly, the shedding reduced. The breakage eased. And one day, I looked in the mirror and thought, wait, is this really happening? It didn't happen overnight. It wasn't glamorous or aesthetic. But it was real. Month after month, I saw progress, not just in length, but in health. My hair felt alive again. Stronger, shinier, calmer. I wasn't chasing miracle cures anymore. I was simply listening. Looking back, I realized growing long hair wasn't just about products or hacks, it was about patience, science, and breaking the myths that held me back. If you've ever felt like your hair just won't grow, I promise, there's hope. Not in trends, but in truth. Learn what your hair needs, give it time, and let science, not TikTok, lead the way. If you made it this far, thank you. I'd love for you to share your own hair journey in the comments. And if this helped you even a little, hit the like button and subscribe for more real, honest beauty advice that respects your time and your journey. See you in the next one.